Grandma. Woo! Good shot. Wow. Liam, to Grandma. Oh, Grandma caught it!
And you caught it? That's a miracle.
Wow, good shot!
Good throw and good catch by Grandma. He's winding up.
Ah, see now, Grandpa didn't get it. Okay. Where's that ball? To Grandma. Whoa! I got it! I got it!